In this video, I'm going to show you how to access private browsing in Mozilla Firefox quickly and easily. Private browsing is a simple way to browse without saving your search history, cookies, or temporary data on your device. It's useful when you want a little more privacy. Whether you're shopping online, signing into another account, or just keeping your browsing separate from your regular session. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to open a private window in Firefox is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and P at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and P. As soon as you do that, Firefox will open a new private browsing window for you. You'll know you're in private mode because the window will usually have a darker look and a private browsing icon or message at the top. If you prefer using the menu instead of a shortcut, that's easy too. Look to the top right corner of Firefox and click the menu button with the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From there, select New Private Window. Firefox will immediately launch a private browsing window, ready for you to start browsing privately. This is a great option if you don't want to remember keyboard shortcuts or if you're showing someone else how to do it. Now, a quick reminder, private browsing does not make you invisible online. It simply stops Firefox from saving certain local browsing data on your device. Your internet provider, employer, or websites themselves may still be able to see activity depending on the situation, so it's best to think of private browsing as a privacy tool for your browser, not complete anonymity. And that's how to access private browsing in Mozilla Firefox using either a shortcut or the menu. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.